art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a twisted sprout from Dandy's World. So first let's get started with the hair. So in the center on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line down, around, and then up on the right. Starting back from that corner on the inside, we're going to curve this line out, down, and then back across. To the right of this again, we're going to curve this line out, down, and then over. And now from that point, just curving this line back in on the side. Now on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down. On the left hand side now, we're going to arch this line out, down, and across. And then starting from that point in the middle, again, curving this line out, down, and then just connecting that in our corner. Again, on the left, curving this line out, down, and then up. And then from that point, just curving this line back in towards the side. Let's draw on the hair that intertwines at the top. So coming in at the center, stepping slightly over to the right, we're going to curve this line out, in, and across towards the top left. And then we're going to replicate that from the left-hand side, curving this across and then back up. And we're just going to leave a small gap. Starting on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line down and then in. We're going to extend this down underneath. And then again in the center, just another small curved line, arching that out. Again, on the right, we're going to start from that point, curving this line back around and then in. And then on the top from that corner, just drawing in a small triangle. Underneath, we're going to curve this line up. And now we're going to draw in a drip pattern as we come down on this hair. So on the top here, we're going to draw in a wavy line, alternating different lengths as we come all the way down on the right. And then underneath, we're just going to draw in a dripping pattern again as we come over and then up. We're going to draw in a small oval on the left and then a small circle on the top. And then again, just a small curved line that arches in. Let's move underneath and draw on the face. So we're going to come over on the left-hand side, arching this line in. We'll do the same on the right. We'll extend this line through the middle of our hair on both sides. And then now from here on the bottom, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Now let's draw on the eye. So we're going to draw on the eye on the left. So we're going to start underneath the hair, drawing in a nice big circle, continuing to curve this all the way under. In the middle, we're going to again draw in a nice big circle. And then right in the center again, just drawing in a smaller circle. Now let's draw in the drip pattern as we come down. So we're going to come underneath our eye first. Again, just alternating different lengths as we come across. And then up on the side of the eye. Now on the right, starting in the middle, we're going to curve this line up, around, back in on the side. And then we're just going to continue this as we come out, drawing in a wavy line on a diagonal as we come over towards the bottom of the face. Now let's draw in the body. So for the scarf first, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. On both sides, we're going to curve this line up towards our chin. We're going to move across again and replicate that. And then one last time, just curving this line up towards the top. Now for the torso underneath, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then up on the right. And then again on a diagonal, we're just going to draw in a wavy pattern as we come across. Let's draw on our left arm first. So on the top, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. Underneath, we're going to replicate that, bringing that in towards the torso. For the thumb, we're going to curve this line out and then up. And then from that point, just curving this line all the way around and then in on the top. Now let's draw on the right arm, and we're going to make this one slightly bigger. So we're going to curve this line around and then up. Coming down, leaving a gap, we're going to curve this line around and then up again. We're going to arch this line up and across. For the thumb, we're going to curve this line out towards our head, back down on the right. From that corner, we're going to curve this line up, bringing that back down. Again, moving over from that point, curving this line up, and then arching this back in. And then lastly, one more time, just curving this line up, and then back in towards that corner. We're going to draw in another drip pattern as we come underneath. So again, just alternating different lengths as we come all the way underneath our arm. And then we're going to draw in a small oval and then a small circle coming down. Let's draw on our legs. So from the center, stepping over, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides, ending that at the same height. For the bottom of the foot, we're going to curve this line around, back in. And then now from the top of the foot, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in towards our torso. Lastly, we're just going to draw on our tail. So coming underneath our left arm, curving this line up, following this underneath, curving this line up, across, and then over towards the left-hand side of our page. And now from that point, we're going to curve this line back down and across. And then again, just drawing in a wavy pattern. And then a small circle. And another oval as we come down. And that is it. That's how you draw a twisted sprout from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.